What's the meaning of chemist? Chemist. Chemist.
Chemist. Chemist. A chemist is a scientist who specializes in the study of chemistry, which involves the composition and properties of matter and the changes it undergoes. Chemists use their knowledge to design and synthesize new chemical compounds and materials that can be used for various purposes, such as pharmaceuticals, fuels, and coatings. They also develop and apply analytical techniques to identify and measure chemical substances and monitor chemical reactions. Overall, chemists play a crucial role in advancing our understanding of the world around us and developing new technologies to improve our lives.